Hello, in today's video, we'll be exploring how to do a clipping mask. I'm going to use Canva for this. You can use any software that you want because I'm using Canva for the designs. So you can go to Canva, sign up for Canva. You don't have to pay; it's free. If you want to join as a pro, I have a link in the description below, and you get 30 days free trial. So anyway, for this, you don't need a pro account, you just need an account. So you can go to Canva and you create a design. Now, let's say this one is for a t-shirt you want to sell on any of those t-shirt platforms, for example, Redbubble. Okay, so we create a design. So this is for the template. So what is the dimension? What are the dimensions? So we can go to custom sizing and I can put in, for example, 4500 and then 5400, and I create. So once we get to this page, let's say you want to make a design, a clipping mask for a face. So we go to elements, we go here, we go to elements, and we look for silhouettes. Check for graphics here, so we go to see all. And let's say we want the silhouette of a person, so we'll just put silhouette person. So we have quite a few here. So let's choose one, maybe this one. Okay, I think this will show a bit more. So for now, we'll take this. So we just sort of enlarge it and just sort of position it center middle. Now what you got to do now is to download this. We go up here to the share button, we click download, and you can download as a PNG, which is here, and a transparent background. Now if you don't have a pro account, you can't access the transparent background feature, but that's okay because we can do it on another software that is free. Okay, so now that we're here, what we can do is we will download this as we'll go to share, download, and we hit the transparent background and you download. Now, if you don't have the pro account, what you can do is either go to Photopea, and here it is. You will find a link in the description below. So all you have to do is, so I'm showing you this because it can help. Let's say if you're doing other projects and you want to download a transparent background with a transparent background and you don't have the pro feature of Canva, for example, and then you download what you saved. So it says the original and now it's removed it. It's as simple as that. So you just have to go and download it. So now you've downloaded it. So now you go to, now this is free. So what you can do is you go here and you open up a new project. Okay. So I'm going to choose the width as the one that I did before, which is 4500 and then 5400, and the DPI will be 300. Make sure it's that because then it will give you the option of reducing it, because otherwise if it's the DPI is too small, then when you enlarge it, it'll be very pixelated, and this one is transparent. And you create. So once you hit that create button, this will come up. So then you go up here and you to the file, now so this is how it's going. Sometimes this is how it's going to come out. So all you have to do is you go to this corner here and you just bring it up. So you go to the corner and you bring it up, it will enlarge in proportion. Okay, so let's say this is how you want it. So then what you do is, now that you've done that, now we go look for a background. Okay, so let's look for a background under here, background, and let's say we want landscape and we want something that's They show quite a bit of detail so that you can see it in there. So let's choose something like maybe this. So just add a page here and you just click on this one that you've chosen, whichever that you've chosen. So it will fill the background. So now you download that. Now all you have to do is just click download, click the share button, click download. Now here it says select the pages. If you do not select the pages, it's going to download both the pages in a zip file. You don't want that, so you just deselect that and you select page 2, done, download. Now it's downloading. You go back to Photopea. Now what you do is you go up to file again, open and place, and this time you choose the file that you just downloaded with the background. Okay, now it's downloaded. So if you look on your right hand side here, there's a background, there's the untitled design, which is a silhouette, and then you have this. You go to this one, right click it, and it says clipping mask. You select that. And once you select, this is going to happen. You see? And this is just as easy as that. Now you're going to download it. Okay, so pick up the background. You click here, you unselect the background. So you click masters here. So this is here now. So you go back to file, you go back up to file and you export. So you export as a PNG. When you click that, it's going to come up here and you name your new project. So let's put it as clip mask. Okay, and you can check it's here, everything's correct. You just click save and it will save it. Now if you go back to your Canva, you add a page just to see if it's done. You go up here to uploads and you click uploads. And here it is. Now you can adjust it. You can bring it down a bit. You can just make it a bit closer so that it can fill up. You can enlarge it a bit more without it going out. So that's what you do. Now what you can do is you click that, you can go to position up here, you can put it center and in the middle. And you can add another background if you want to. Let's say you want to add this background. So what it will do is, of course you could always have adjusted however you wanted it, when you did it on Photopea. So let's just go there. So you could have adjusted it to how you wanted it to be. So this is very easy. So do please go and experiment on Photopea. It's free. All you have to do is create an account and that's it. Same as Canva. And you can have lots of things. So you don't have to have a background. You can take it off and let's say you want a plain background or you want words on it, you know, it's up to you. Or you can even put words on here. Let's say you want something that says, let's say, add a heading, let's say, mine is a beautiful. Okay, then you can either adjust the font size here or you can go to the corner and bring it closer and you can just move it to where you want it. You can go up here to change the color. What you can do then is just bring it a bit closer. So you can adjust it that way as well. So the closer you bring it, it will go to the next line. And then you can add maybe a plain background. So again, you click here, click where you want the background, you choose the background. Then you go up here and let's say you want that color, maybe not. Be black. There you go. Mind is a beautiful thing. And then you can download it. You just go up to share and download. Remember to choose which page you want, and then you just download it. So I hope this helped, and I hope you like it. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe. Bye.